Q3657. Should it become necessary to hand prop an airplane engine, it is extremely important that a competent pilot A. Call contact before touching the propeller. B. Be at the controls in the cockpit. C. Be in the cockpit and call out all commands. The correct answer is B. Hand-starting airplane engines can be a potentially hazardous activity, which underscores the critical importance of having a competent pilot in the cockpit who is familiar with the procedures and safety precautions involved. Prior to initiating the engine start, it is crucial to establish clear communication and understanding among all individuals involved. This includes agreeing upon the necessary protocols, reviewing the procedures, and conducting rehearsals to ensure everyone is well prepared. By following these measures, the risks associated with hand-starting airplane engines can be minimized, promoting a safe and controlled startup process. 3656. What should be the first action after starting an aircraft engine? A. Adjust for proper RPM and check for desired indications on the engine gauges. B. Place the magneto or ignition switch momentarily in the OFF position to check for proper grounding. C. Test each brake and the parking brake. The correct answer is A. After starting an aircraft engine, the first action should be to adjust for proper RPM, engine speed, and check for desired indications on the engine gauges. This step is important to ensure that the engine is running smoothly and within the desired operating parameters. Adjusting the RPM helps to set the engine to the appropriate speed for taxiing or takeoff. Checking the engine gauges allows the pilot to monitor critical parameters such as oil pressure, temperature, and fuel quantity, ensuring that they are within the normal range. 3656-1. What is one purpose for using reciprocating engines? A. Heat is distributed better. B. To preserve cylinder head duration and maintain lower temperatures. C. They are relatively simple and inexpensive to operate. The correct answer is A. Reciprocating engines are commonly used in training aircraft due to their inherent advantages, including simplicity and cost-effectiveness in operation. These engines are known for their straightforward design and mechanical principles, making them easier to understand and maintain. Additionally, reciprocating engines generally have lower acquisition and maintenance costs compared to other engine types, which makes them more affordable for flight training purposes. Their widespread use in training aircraft reflects the practicality and economic considerations associated with flight training operations. 3223. One purpose of the dual ignition system on an aircraft engine is to provide for A. Improved engine performance. B. Uniform heat distribution. C. Balanced cylinder head pressure. The correct answer is A. The dual ignition system found in many aircraft engines utilizes two magnetos to supply electrical current to two spark plugs per combustion chamber. This system offers both redundancy and improved engine performance. Redundancy is achieved by having two independent ignition systems, ensuring that in the event of a failure in one system, the other can continue to provide ignition for the engine. This enhances the safety and reliability of the ignition system. Additionally, the dual ignition system improves engine performance by providing more efficient and complete combustion of the fuel-air mixture in the combustion chambers. This leads to better engine operation, increased power output, and smoother engine performance. The dual ignition system is a common feature in aviation engines to enhance safety and optimize engine efficiency. 3223-1. An electrical system failure, battery, and alternator occurs during flight. In this situation, you would A. Experience avionics equipment failure. B. Probably experience failure of the engine ignition system, fuel gauges, aircraft lighting system, and avionics equipment. C. Probably experience engine failure due to the loss of the engine-driven fuel pump, and also experience failure of the radio equipment, lights, and all instruments that require alternating current. The correct answer is A. In the event of an in-flight electrical system failure and subsequent avionics equipment failure, it is important to have contingency plans and procedures in place. If the electrical system failure affects the operation of the electric fuel boost pump, alternative methods should be employed to ensure a continuous fuel supply to the engine. These may include utilizing the aircraft's manual fuel pump or switching to an auxiliary or backup fuel pump system, if available. It is crucial for pilots to be familiar with the aircraft's emergency procedures and to follow them diligently in such situations. Additionally, maintaining communication with air traffic control and declaring an emergency can provide assistance and guidance during the situation.